Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola Edge 5G UW for Verizon postpaid. So this is a new phone for Verizon postpaid. So it's available now as of October 14th. So if you guys are looking to get like a mid-range smartphone, the Motorola Edge 5G ultra wideband is the phone for you to check out. It's available now in Nebula Blue there, which I'm not a fan of the color, I'm just not. But the phone does look very nice in my opinion. So you guys will have two storage options, 128 gigs for $549.99 or 256 gigs for $599.99. So pretty sweet deal there. So yeah, I think this is the 2021 version of the Moto Edge. So there's the front and back there. You guys got two cameras in the back along with your camera flash there. So yeah, this front thing you guys got a hole punch thing right here. I think that's where your hole punch is for your camera. Power name keys on the right side of the phone there. Yeah, power name keys on the right side of the phone. Power name keys on the right side of the phone there. Yeah. Just back of the phone, you guys got three cameras along with the camera flash. And I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. You guys got a Motorola logo on the back as well. And then your left side there. So yeah. So yeah, this is a postpaid phone. I'm sure that it's gonna come to Verizon prepaid pretty soon as well. But this is for Verizon postpaid right now. There's no option to pay it monthly, as far as I know. Alright. So it says here, meet the Motorola Edge 5G UW, a device that takes the latest smartphone experience to another level. It features an advanced 108 megapixel camera system, so you can capture stunning ultra high resolution photos and record ultra high definition video in 4K. Bring it all to life on the 6.8-inch display with an incredible fast 144 Hz refresh rate. Connect your phone to the big screen Connect your phone to the big screen to play games, make video calls, and use your favorite apps. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband. Alright, so that's pretty cool. The specs on this phone seems pretty good. Like I said, this is a mid-range smartphone here. So now we're looking at the features and specs here. It says take ultra high res photos, capture sharp low light images with an advanced 108 megapixel main camera that features ultra pixel technology and a 32 megapixel high resolution selfie camera. The 119-degree ultra wide angle lens captures the same field of view that your eyes see, fitting four times more of the scene in your frame compared to a standard lens. Built-in macro vision brings you 5 times closer to your subject, so you can see even the finest of details. And dual capture and audio zoom makes it feel like you have your own recording crew. So it's pretty cool there. Let's keep going. Larger than life. Enjoy streaming shows, playing games, and taking video calls on a 6.8-inch Max Vision Full HD Plus display. View everything in vivid, true-to-life colors with improved brightness and contrast thanks to HDR10. and watch without any lag thanks to the insanely fast 144 Hz refresh rate, and it's 60% faster than the first generation Motorola Edge and Edge Plus. Plus, the refresh rate automatically adjusts based on the type of content on the screen, so that is pretty cool. So you do have adaptive refresh rate as well, so that is pretty cool. So it's nice. Enjoy Motorola's ready for amplified experiences. Ready for amplifies everything your phone is capable of. Just connect wirelessly and you are ready to go. Move your phone games to the big screen and feel like you're right in the room during video calls. With Ready for PC, you can access your phone apps and files all on your PC and can even move files back and forth between your devices. Sharing is a snap. So that's a pretty cool feature. It's kind of like Samsung Dex, you know what I'm saying? So that's pretty cool. That's a cool feature. So check that out. Battery power whenever you need it. Stay out longer on a single charge. The long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery packs plenty of juice to last up to 2 days. Turbo power 30-watt charging fills up 9 hours of power in just 10 minutes, so you can get a boost when you need it most. Built for speed. Enjoy a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor with faster graphics processing and AI performance. Never run out of room with tons of memory, and connect with 5G for super fast downloading and streaming without interruptions. Hands-free access with just your voice. Use a voice assistant such as Alexa to check the weather, make calls, play your favorite music, or stay on top of the latest news. You can also control your compatible smart home devices right from your Motorola Edge 5G. So, pretty cool. Verizon Adaptive Sound. Experience superior audio quality with an expanded sound stage, added clarity, crispness, rich trebles, and deeper basses. Verizon Adaptive Sound works with music, movies, games, and multimedia voice tracks. Also features a super friendly, customizable interface with custom profiles. So take me back to back there. So that's kind of interesting how Verizon has their website design now. So it's kind of different now. So design, it's available in Nebula Blue there, which I'm not a fan of blue color, but the design is very nice. So the dimensions of the Motorola Edge 5G, it's 6.65 inches height, 2.97 inches width, 0.35 inches depth. The Motorola Edge 5G weighs 7.11 ounces. It takes a USB Type-C charging. Accessibility, like I said, Google Assistant, Alexa, hands-free supported. There's your hand aids there. Network is 5G. It just had the 4G bands up here for some reason. You do have Wi-Fi 8 at 11 ABGN and AC, Dublin Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi hotspot, and Wi-Fi 6E. So pretty good there. There's your SAR ratings, 5G nationwide, 5G ultra wideband there, mobile device, yes. Battery, you get up to 19 days of standby time, 5,000 mAh battery, up to 2 days of usage time. Support up to 30-watt turbo power charging, so that's very nice. Additional features, it has CDMA less. Yes, it has Verizon Adaptive Sound. Push to talk now, of course not. It has a bottom ported speaker, Qualcomm Snapdragon sound. Cameras, you guys have 3 of them on the rear, 108 megapixel ultra high res camera system. I'm gonna say that's a 48 megapixel camera with an ultra wide angle lens with macro vision, and you have a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear. The front camera is a 32 megapixel high res selfie camera with quad pixel technology. You do get 4K videos at 30 frames per second or Full HD videos at 60 and 30 frames per second. So not too bad, pretty good there. So no 4K 60 on here. Bluetooth 5.2 processor. You guys will have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 processor, Adreno 642 GPU, memory 6 gigabytes of RAM, memory 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage, Android 11 pre-installed, Wi-Fi hotspot of course. Security options, you guys have a side mounted fingerprint reader, which is your power button, face unlock, and then you have Think Shield for mobile. I'm not sure what that is exactly, so it's pretty cool, I guess. So you guys got a few security options to choose from. Display 6.8 inches, Full HD plus max vision display, 144 Hz refresh rate. It is an LCD display, so nothing special about that. It is Full HD plus, 20.5:9 aspect ratio, and there's the skew and all that shit. What comes in the box is your Motorola Edge 5G smartphone, USB-C cable, SIM tool, and pre-installed SIM card, and your Verizon brochures like terms and conditions and stuff like that. So it doesn't look like it has a charging brick either, so that's kind of interesting. So I'm guessing manufacturers are now, manufacturers now are not including charging bricks in the box, so that's kind of interesting. So yeah, that's very interesting. So yes, I do. You guys have it. The Motorola Edge 5G is now here at Verizon. It's currently available on their postpaid service. Currently, I'm sure it will come to prepaid soon, so stay tuned for that if you guys want prepaid and you guys want this one. It's available now in Neighborhood Blue there for 128 gigs for $549.99, 256 gigs, $599.99. Full retail price, guys. This is full retail price. This is Verizon postpaid that we're looking at here. There is no option to pay it monthly, as far as I know. So yeah, there you guys go. If you guys are looking to get like a mid-range smartphone but then I want to spend a whole lot of money, the Motorola Edge 5G is the front page you guys should check out. The front does look very nice. I don't like the blue color, I just don't. But other than that, the front does look very nice. It does have pretty good specs for what it is, and I think it's worth the price that it's at. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. But thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.